Here's a preview of a truck. It's running right now. It's on. These are the gauges. 175,000 miles, low on fuel. You got your AC controls. Everything seems to be working. It was working. Okay, there it goes. And radio. Come around this way. Oh, there's a little rip. There's a rip right here. Needs to be stitched. See, it's a little dirty. Needs to be washed. Haven't had a chance to, but it's cleanable. Come around this way. It's all bins. Got bins on top. It's got covered cargo space. Open it up. There's a shelf in there. Got a compressor outlets. They got 220, 115. Come around. I got another 115 outlet right here. Open up. Here's all your controls, your bins. These bins like this in here. Slide out. Start a generator. Generator up and running. Come around this way. There's your compressor. It goes on backwards. All inside the cab. There's a switch. It's on. Air compressor on. There's the gauge. Doesn't have pressure. Yep. Here's a truck. It's a nice working truck. Nice work truck. He's got a little fender bender here.